In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate better prompts in Claude AI. We'll start by getting to the right place. Then I'll show you how to craft a clear, effective prompt so you get high-quality results the first time. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press Enter. You should see the official site appear near the top of the results. Click through to the Claude.ai site. This ensures you're using the correct interface and not a third-party page that might behave differently. Once you're on the page, you'll see the message box where you can write your prompt. This is where good structure makes all the difference. The example we'll use today is a request for a friendly beginner script about Claude tips that opens with a quick hook, teaches 3 simple workflow boosters for organizing ideas and writing scripts faster, and ends with a clear call to action inviting viewers to try the tips themselves. Before you type, think about 5 elements: the goal, the audience, the tone, the structure, and any constraints. The goal is what you want Claude to produce. In this case, a concise teaching script. The audience is beginners, so keep it approachable. The tone should be friendly and encouraging. The structure needs a hook, 3 clear tips, and a closing call to action. Constraints can include length, format, or any phrases you want included or avoided. Now, write your prompt in one clear block. For example, start by stating the task and audience, then describe the desired flow. You might say that you want a conversational script that begins with a 1-sentence hook, presents exactly 3 practical workflow boosters with brief explanations and quick examples, and ends with a motivating call to action. If a particular length matters, add it. If you want short paragraphs for readability, say that. If you need the script to avoid jargon, include that instruction too. The more specific the request, the more reliable the output. When your prompt looks complete, click Submit. Give Claude a moment to respond. You should receive a structured script that follows your outline, a snappy opening, 3 focused tips for organizing ideas and speeding up scripting, and a clear closing invite. If anything is slightly off, maybe the tone is too formal or the tips are too long, ask for a revision by clarifying what to change. Small adjustments usually dial it in perfectly. That's it. You've found Claude, crafted a strong prompt, and submitted it for a polished result. Try these techniques on your next project and enjoy faster, clearer outputs.